When anybody decides to give up full-time employment to become a self-employed individual, they're giving up holiday pay, sick pay, regular income.
They sometimes experience great panic, thinking it sounds really, really hard work setting up a company, opening a business bank account, securing insurance. Brookson takes all that pressure away from them.
I'm currently a project controller. I work across multiple industries. Being new to contracting, there are a lot of worries, particularly financial and accountancy worries. Effectively, having Brookson as my accounting partner allows me to not look over my shoulder, not to worry about my accounting issues.
Brookson have over 20 years experience now in helping independent workers. That crosses a multitude of sectors including media, healthcare, oil and gas, IT, engineering. The difference between Brookson and a traditional accountant is that we are looking after you and your finances on a daily basis.
I design control systems for chemical plants, mainly in the oil and gas and petrochemical industries. The thing I get most out of Brookson is probably convenience. Knowing that the amount of money you can take out is the correct amount of money is a great benefit because you don't have that fear of a big tax bill at the end of the year.
The main issues that contractors come to us with probably can be split into two camps. The first are people that have tried to do it themselves. They soon realise that potentially looking after their own accounts, profit and loss, income, etc. wasn't their forte. And the second set are people who just have no idea where to start.
The Brookson consultation was fantastic. It didn't take up much of my time at all, and they gave me a comparison of the different options I had on the table at the time, and it did appear, once I'd mulled it over, that limited company was the best way forward for myself. The joining process for Brookson was extremely simple. Everything I needed to do was explained, got me up and running in no time at all.
Connect is a portal that we provide to our customers, and it delivers real-time management information on the performance of their business.
It allows them to raise invoices, it allows them to send expenses through, it allows them to view what their liabilities are, and everything's available 24/7 to them.
And it's an invoice-free system, so it just self-invoices. When the calculations have all been done and the money's in, then they can just go on and check how much you can take out of the company.
They know that they're safe. If they've got a question, they can ring up and speak to somebody that's knowledgeable. They don't have to make any appointments to speak to somebody. We can answer their questions straight away.
Our entire service is designed around taking that hassle away from them. We will raise their invoices for them, we will help them manage their expenses, we'll proactively keep them on top of their tax position and their take-home pay. This removes all the stress and strain out of the decision of becoming self-employed.
Brookson offer assurance to all our customers in the form of a tax promise that we will protect them and look after them if ever they are investigated by HMRC. There's real value in knowing what your tax liabilities are on a day-to-day basis. They have that with Brookson.
Brookson makes setting up and running a limited company really easy. It allows me to do things I really enjoy.